my top 10 perfume. What is this? So cute. बहुत कंजूसी करके यूज किया हुआ है. 12 to 13,000. Under a budget, one of my most expensive. I wish you all could smell from the video because it's so good. Hey yo, Kim Chu guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna talk about my top 10 perfumes. Now perfumes where I have mix of different fragrances, different taste, different style, different brands and everything which I'm gonna show you guys. So before going ahead and before me showcasing you all the perfumes, I wanna share you all a basic something which I also got to know. There are like 5 categories I think. सबसे ऊपर आता है परफ्यूम, PARFUM, then there is EDP, there is EDT, there is EDC. So इसमें concentration of the perfume oil keeps decreasing. So सबसे ज़्यादा जो होता है वो perfume में होता है. Then there is lesser in EDP, then there is lesser in EDT. That is how you can decide that a perfume lasts longer or not, because जिसमें सबसे ज़्यादा concentration है वो सबसे ज़्यादा last करता है, you know. And I like perfumes which last. I mean, I think everybody likes perfumes जो last करे longer because you're spending money and you want to smell good throughout the day. So I'm gonna show you guys a mix of whatever I have. Without any further delay, let's get into the video. I'm gonna show it in any flow. ऐसा नहीं है मैं 1, 2, 3, 4 ranking wise बता रही हूँ. I'm just randomly showing my top 10. So starting with number 1, I want to show is this one, which is from YSL, and this is YSL Libre, if I'm not pronouncing it wrong. This was one of my own first luxury perfume purchase. Oh my god, this perfume is just so good. मतलब इसकी जो smell है, the notes are more woody, earthy and all of that. Like it lasts so much longer. I purchased this which is like literally empty now जो मैंने लिया हुआ था, and then I got a PR from the brand and I got the same perfume. So I was like, yeah, I don't have to buy it because मैंने पूरा एक bottle empty कर दिया है. I also sometimes mix it with another perfume to have a little different smell coming on. Yes, I do that, and this ranges around 7 to 8K के बीच में. I don't know the exact price, but yeah, I think this is 50 ml to 90 ml का obviously price थोड़ा ज़्यादा होगा. The bottle itself is so classy and so good. I love the smell. It's very different. It makes you feel very strong, independent, confident. It's a very strong, empowered woman wala smell. That's what I feel. So I kind of love it, and I would give this like a 10 on 10 because everything perfect. So yeah. Next we have this Paco Rabanne Fame. I was in Dubai when I saw this bottle. पहले तो bottle इतनी fancy है तो मुझे देख के ऐसा हो गया कि I want to try. Like what will the smell be like? This is more of fruity, floral, citrus वाली smell, and it is so good. Like it is so refreshing. मतलब it gives that very creamy feel and feels very good. I just love it. It is so good, and this is also 50 ml. ये भी काफी अच्छा long last करता है on me. I love the smell. The smell is very different and very catchy. I think wherever you wear this and you go, for sure you will grab some attention. ये भी EDP है. More of EDP I like because it lasts longer and it stays on my body throughout the day. That's what I need because events वगैरह में जाते हैं, shoots वगैरह में जाते हैं, It is a must. I feel. I love it. And ये तो मैं खत्म भी हो जाएगा तो मुझे लगता है मैं सारी bottles जमा करूँगी because like what is this? So cute, so nice. I wish you all could smell from the video because it's so good. So on an average इसका price is around 9K. I checked it in Dubai and then I ended up coming back and buying it online because I was getting it on discount. So I got it for almost 6-7K. अच्छी discount में मिला था. So yeah. Next is from Bulgari. Now I have to literally like read out the name. It is Omnia Golden Citron perfume. So this was okay. This has a story. This literally Bulgari was my first luxury brand collaboration which was paid. So this is a perfume which I have like preserved. मैंने बहुत कंजूसी करके use किया हुआ है. I still have it. Literally like I have a lot of it क्योंकि मैंने इतना use नहीं किया है because it is very special to me. It's been 3-4 years that I did the collaboration. I still have it. Anyway, the smell is more citrusy, floral. थोड़ी different smell है. This doesn't last really long on my body, but I kind of like it when I need to switch from the regular smell that I use. I use this. It's special to me. So I don't know. I'll check online. Let you know what this ranges from. अभी इसमें नए versions काफी आ गए हैं, different flavors और different smells. but this was one of the oldest one which I received when it was launched. Abhi I don't know if it's available in India for the same price or same availability जो होती है. I'm not sure. Yeah, I mean it's kind of special to me and I'm gonna keep this with me always. And I kind of like the bottle of this also. And दिख भी रहा होगा, I think काफी पुराना हो गया है. It's fun. It's good. I'm gonna keep this. Now next is one of my most expensive perfume, which you all might have seen it in my video where whatever I touch and my brother buys it. Jenny को ये मुझे देना पड़ा था. So this is Miss Dior by Dior. This was almost 12 to 13,000. Trust me, I feel every penny was worth because this one also lasts so long. Like पूरा दिन literally मेरे कपड़े जो wash होके आते हैं ना उसमें if I've sprayed this, I can still smell it the other day, you know. So I really like it. And even though this is EDT, और ये मुझे EDP का जो concept है पता नहीं था पहले, ये मैंने तभी ले लिया था, उसके बाद I realized, but still being EDT, this lasts so much longer. And the smell I would say is more rose flower but with a spice. I think spice zyada hai. I don't know what notes they have added for that spice, but it's kind of spicy sweet floral smell and it's very different. It's not like a common smell. जैसे कि लड़कों में कुछ smell होती है जो बहुत मुझे लगता है ऐसी कॉमन होती है, बट दिस इज नॉट लाइक दैट. इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट एंड वेरी नाइस एंड फील्स वेरी लग्जूरियस. सो ऑलमोस्ट खत्म भी होने आई है. आई डोंट नो इफ आई विल बाय अनदर वन बिकॉज आई वांट टू, मुझे ऐसा होता है कि आई ट्राई समथिंग न्यू, कुछ नया ट्राई करते हैं. बट लेट्स सी. बट या आई मीन आई कैन ऑफ लाइक इट एंड डियोर में तो काफी सारे और ऑप्शंस है विच आई कैन एक्सप्लोर. तो या नेक्स्ट अप इज दिस परफ्यूम फ्रॉम अरमानी विच I recently got from the event जो मैं गई थी of Armani. Honestly, this perfume, this series of perfume जो इनका Armani C perfume range है, मुझे इसमें से चाहिए था और मैंने ट्राई भी किया था एयरपोर्ट ड्यूटी फ्री में. I was kind of not sure because I already had a lot of perfume, so I didn't end up buying it. And then somehow it has come to me. This also has my initials engraved at the event. Engraved. So yeah, again a bottle that I can keep with me forever because it has my initials and it's fancy. So okay, coming to the smell of this, honestly like I got it recently. I haven't used it but event पे और event के बाद the next day I used it because I wanted to smell it and I wanted to see how it sits on my body. This smell is also very similar like to the Dior one. Not similar but on the spicy note with a little, you know, currant something. जैसे you smell it, you feel that a little spice, you know. So these are more on the stronger side perfumes I feel. And this is also EDP and इसका मैंने ऑनलाइन कॉस्टिंग देखा था. इट इज ऑल्सो अराउंड 10K 9-10K. मतलब इतना तो है ही इनकी रेंज का परफ्यूम्स, बट यू गेट इट ऑन डिस्काउंट एंड ऑफर्स व्हेन यू बाय इट फ्रॉम ड्यूटी फ्री और ऑनलाइन और समथिंग लाइक दैट. दिस इज माई पर्सनल फेवरेट. इसमें क्या हुआ था, मैं लिटरली नायका लक्स वहां गई थी और मैंने ये स्मेल किया था एट द स्टोर. आई काइंड ऑफ लव्ड इट बट देन there was just a tester and available नहीं था, ऐसा कुछ तो था, तो मैंने ऑनलाइन लेने का सोचा था. बट सिंस यू नो परफ्यूम्स you don't really understand when you smell it at the first time, but when you use it, how it sits on your body and you know 10 hours के बाद कैसी स्मेल आती है, वो सब बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो मैंने सबसे पहले फिर नायका से 30 ml लिया था एंड it's empty और मुझे बहुत पसंद आया था एंड I ended up buying another one 50 ml. ये भी ऑलमोस्ट खत्म होने आया है. Oh my god, this smells like divine. Well, it's such a sexy smell. I love it. Like I have gotten compliments from people I meet also for this one, and this is Paco Rabanne Black XS. Yeah, I mean the smell, the notes I feel are more cranberry, vanilla, mix of all of that. I feel I like such smell. Feels very intense and very dreamy. बहुत अच्छी smell है. I mean it's really good. I really love it. मतलब ये मेरा favorite smell है. I can buy another bottle for sure because I loved it so much. दो bottle मेरे पास. Even this is EDP if I'm not wrong. Yeah. And this I got for around 6K. कुछ तो 6K के आसपास और छोटा उससे भी कम था, 5K के आसपास था. I love it. This is my favorite. You all can see it. I have literally and मुझे लगता है bottle की जो style है ना वैसा ही smell है. You know, very intense, sexy. Next up we have a perfume from Victoria's Secret. This is Tease from Victoria's Secret, and this was a gift to me. And this smell is something I would never go and buy for myself because I like very strong, heavy smells. But this is literally the opposite. This is more floral and feminine, and surprisingly, I ended up loving it. Like, it is so fresh, mild and very gloomy ऐसा smell है, तो काफी अच्छा है, काफी अलग है. It's also EDP. I checked it online. This ranges around 9k, but I think all of these perfumes you get it at a discounted price if you check it on Tata Click, Myntra, हर जगह नायका वायका सब जगह डिस्काउंट में अच्छी खासी प्राइस पे मिल जाता है. Yeah, it's again like it was a gift for me, so it is special to me. And सारे perfumes I think खत्म होने आए. I have to restock them. Next up we have a perfume from Zara under a budget, which is empty. I have used it. So this also comes in a set. Okay, there's one Gardenia, which is this one, and there is Orchid. ये दोनों सेट में आता है. And मेरी जो दूसरी बॉटल है, लिटरली अभी I was collecting all these perfumes for this video, and वो बॉटल लिटरली मेरे से गिर गई है and टूट गई है. वो पूरी की पूरी थी. I didn't use it much because that is not my taste, I feel. But this, oh my god, I feel if you're looking for a perfume which is under a budget, which is a good smell, which is long lasting and which will get you multiple compliments, it is this. अभी Zara का सेल चल रहा है, तो I am gonna restock mine because this is almost finished. Literally whenever I put it, even my brother, if he's around, he's like, कभी perfume लगाया हुआ है, literally. And any friend of mine I meet, anybody I meet, when I'm wearing this, it goes well. I generally mix this with Victoria का एक और मेरे पास परफ्यूम है वो, बट उसके बिना भी this is so good. This is EDP and it does last long. To the price, I think 1700 या 1800 में you get two perfumes. It's like a set. This is one of them. You can literally see it's empty. I've used it. थोड़ा ही बचा है, which I'll finish in the coming days, and I'm gonna restock this. So I think it's perfect. Zara के बहुत selective, मतलब काफी सारे है perfumes obviously अच्छे जो शायद मैंने एक्सप्लोर नहीं किए होंगे, बट दिस इज समथिंग विच आई loved. Oh my god, I feel everything is sponge. Again, this set was a gift to me, and it was a gift to me by my cousin जो रक्षाबंधन पे दिया था मुझे last year. So again, this is special to me. जो दूसरी बॉटल थी वो टूट गई, but this I'm gonna keep and I'm gonna restock this one. I think I'm surrounded with really nice people who are somehow sending me perfume. Might it be the brand or my brother or my cousins. Okay, next up we are going for is this Victoria's Secret Bombshell. This is I think quite popular itself. It has more of floral smell, but not that typical floral smell. It is a very different and nice floral. This is I think priced at around 5k, but the smell is really good. This is also EDP, subtle, sexy in its own way. I kind of like it. And Victoria के दोनों perfumes मुझे काफी अच्छे लगते हैं, काफी अलग है. I would say कि Victoria के जो perfumes है, they are more on the feminine side. You can feel that feminine energy when you smell the perfume instantly. उनके कोई भी परफ्यूम्स में इट्स गुड, इट्स क्यूट. ये मेरे को टाइम हो गया ये यूज करके, और इसके जो बॉडी मिस्ट भी है वो भी मैंने काफी यूज की है. लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, आई हैव Guess परफ्यूम. इट इज Seductive Blue from Guess. Now again, this I got from event that I attended of Guess, and this was a really new smell to me. I mean, it's kind of fruity and floral, but it's not that, मतलब मैं कैसे समझाऊँ, pear fruit जो होता है ना वैसा mixed with some floral वैसे notes पे है. Doesn't last at all, but I kind of like the smell because ये जो smell है बाकी सारी smell से बहुत ज़्यादा अलग है, and I don't have something like this. So if I'm going to the gym, I'm going, जैसे नीचे उतर रही हूँ, I apply this and I just put it on. If you ask me if I have to spend my money and buy this, I wouldn't buy it. I got it in a PR and I'm using it currently. That is why I'm showing it, and I like the smell. That is why I'm showing it. But मैं खुद नहीं लूँगी. Maybe I'll explore more perfumes from the same brand, but not this one. This is EDT. I want something that lasts longer on my body, so I use it for temporary purpose. As I said, मैं नीचे उतर रही हूँ, कहीं भी जा रही हूँ इधर उधर, so I use it. My brother also uses it. It's kind of, but it's different. I mean, I kind of like having a different smell from another, क्योंकि कभी कभी ऐसे back to back use करने से बोर हो जाते हो तुम. I feel it's good to have. Now, coming to another point, you noticed all the perfumes are not really expensive side, but they are high priced पे. Trust me, even I was someone who was like buying perfumes of a decent price, कोई भी brand का, but the quality, the smell, the long lasting effect, जितनी मुझे ये सारी perfumes में मिली है ना, वो मुझे कहीं भी नहीं मिली है. Trust me, I feel every money spent is worth because you smell good, and when you smell good, I feel सारे लोग तुम्हारे आसपास भी feel fresh and you also overall feel good. I'm not promoting buying expensive perfumes. It's obviously up to you and it's very personal choice वाला situation, but I'm sharing my experience which I feel. इसमें budget वाले पे जो है वो भी I use and इसके अलावा भी I've tried multiple, but वो ज़्यादा टिकते नहीं है या not kind of liking the long lasting effect and all of that. These are my personal favorite. I hope I will add more. Yeah, I mean I kind of like smelling good and I kind of like this new brands, luxurious brands, perfume smells and all of that. So it's fun and I'm getting used to it, and even I'm like sort of new to it, but I'm enjoying it. The motto behind this video was very chill, casual, fun. I just wanted to show y'all. That is it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and I will see you in my next one. Thank you guys for being here.